Hello kids, today we are going to practice some more sounds of vowels. Say more vowel sounds. Be with me. A apple, a elephant, e igloo, o orange, a urn. Say again. Apple, elephant, igloo, orange, urn. All these words have the vowel sounds same like ant, egg, insect, ostrich and umbrella. Very nice kids. So let's recall a, e, o and a are sounds of vowels. Keep learning about the vowels and their sounds and keep drilling their phonetics as well. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.